I was stuck in a chilly Tempe house last winter when my furnace broke down on a freezing night. I knew I needed the best furnace repair in Tempe fast, so I acted. After searching online, I found Shamrock Heating and Cooling, who arrived quickly to diagnose and fix the issue, restoring warmth to my home with expert service promptly. Now my furnace is working perfectly, and I'm so grateful I called Shamrock at 602-560-8689. If you're having furnace issues in Tempe this winter, don't hesitate to reach out to them for the best furnace repair in Tempe, Arizona.
When you call Shamrock Heating and Cooling, it's your home's lucky day. Call us today at 602-560-8689